Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character yeah step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write yeah. Yeah, line of business. School studies. Or property. For example, 作业. 作业 homework. Task. Do you do homework every day? Do you do homework every day? 你每天都做家庭作业吗？你每天都做家庭作业吗？ Do you do homework every day? 你每天都做作业，做家庭作业吗？你每天都做家庭作业吗？ Do you do homework every day? My casual handwriting on the character yeah. Yeah, line of business, school studies, property, 作业 homework, task. Do you do homework every day? 你每天都做家庭作业吗？ Yeah. Please comment any words or sentence with the character yeah. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.